Good morning, everyone, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be taking you along with me. I'm going to go hit some garage sales today. Today is Friday, May 21st, and this is going to be new. I've never done this, so just bear with me on this experience. I have a very small limit how much I'm wanting to spend, and I just want to check it out and try this and see if I find some gems. So let's go. Okay guys, quick update. I just been running in the neighborhood and I have found some gems. I hope I have found a pretty cool, awesome pot. Woo, it's hot in here. I've been all over the neighborhood finding gems, and I found some things that I wish I could film, but I just don't have the courage, just because I don't want to have my iPhone out and I don't want people to think that I'm filming them. But I have found a pot, I have found a camera, and I'm seriously only carrying $20, and I think I'm down to like about $7 left. And so I'm trying to give me just a $20 budget to see how much I can pull. So I hope some of the stuff that I found can sell. I really don't know until I do. I have been trying to do comps in between, but I'm carrying my baby, so it has been taking me quite a bit. But anyways, I hope that I can find some good stuff. Okay, how do I get out of here? All right, guys, gotta go. Okay, I got $7 left. I'm gonna hit this other garage sale and see how things go. I'm still very uncomfortable walking in with my camera, but this is like in the middle of nowhere. But it's in a really great neighborhood where I'm at. And I found a lot of like brand new with tags, Veronica M skirts, and I found like a Dolce Vita, something like that, boots. Really nice. I'm gonna show you guys all of that once I get home. But yeah, I think I'm done. I spent exactly $19 today. I never realized how cheap it is to actually do garage sales. When you go to thrift stores and when you go to Goodwill, you're usually paying about like clothing, really good brands, $8.99, at least in our area over here. Shoes can range from anywhere $4 to $5. I paid $2 for some really good brands. If they were my size, I would keep them because they were so adorable. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys all of the goodies, and I'm gonna list this on eBay and Poshmark. So stay tuned, because now I have to do comps. I was kind of I was rushing to do comps, but a lot of the things that I got have really good value, so I'm really hoping that this stuff sells. So wish me the best wishes. All right, see you guys when I get home. Okay, so I'm home now, so I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the things that I found at garage sales. Everything was seriously, I spent $19. I was gonna spend no more than $20, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I spent on this haul, and it was only $19. Everything was like $2, $1, no more than $4. My daughter's playing with some dirty shoes. No. Please don't. This is dirty. But anyways, a lot of good stuff I'm going to be sharing with you guys, okay? Okay, so this is, I'm in my kitchen, and this is a different day when I'm filming this. I just got a little behind because I have a daughter and she always needs my time and attention, and so I never have time to do everything in one day. But anyways, this is one of the pants that I found. This cost me $4. And it is this brand, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but Circolone. And you can see that it's nonstick. It was made in the US, and it's supposed to be like a I don't know, you can cook pastas and drain them at the same time. Let me open this. But I mean, I washed this, and I don't know if this is just like for normal wear and tear, but it's still in pretty good condition overall. It's pretty solid. And I saw these on eBay listed for like 45, 50 bucks, about $50. Some people offer free shipping. Some people offer, you know, is having the buyer pay for shipping. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and charge shipping, just because this is a pretty heavy item, as you can see here, but it's pretty solid, very nice details. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on eBay. I'm not gonna put this on Poshmark. I'm just gonna put this on my eBay store. I did find this Adidas shirt, sweater or whatever, very colorful, very unique. I've never seen it, something like that. So it's got the Adidas logo. Honestly, this is a size small. It is my size, and I got it because I'm tempted to keep it. You know, it's in really good condition. It's got these really huge pockets in here. Like, you could put your phone and your wallet. This is for a woman, so I don't know if you can see. I'm in my pajamas, I'm sorry. And so this is one of the skirts that I found as well. I got 2 of them just because they were like $1 each. And this is a Veronica M. Honestly, I've never heard of her, but I checked comps, and this skirt in particular is like $98 in this website. But I'm not gonna list it for that much. I think I'm just gonna list it for maybe around $30. But the original price was $68 in here. So that's one thing. Okay, guys, so the next thing that I found was this cupcakes and cashmere dress. I also got it for like $1 at this garage sale. And I checked comps on both eBay and Poshmark, and this dress is running about, I seen it listed for $40, $45. So it's very neat. If you see like the nice pattern. Oh, look how adorable. And it's just one shoulder. Very, very nice. And then I'm always a little bit hesitant about picking up North Face, just because it doesn't have a lot of value. But, well, you know, it doesn't really sell for much. That's what I meant to say. But I saw this and I thought it was really cute. And now for the summer, you know, a lot of people like to be outdoors, and so I thought it was just perfect for the summer, and a good just workout, a pretty nice solid workout gear. So I saw this on Poshmark, and this should sell probably under $20, but I thought it was cute, and I just thought that maybe somebody will like it. Oh, before I forget, these are all my this stuff. That's old stuff that I've been having listed. I did find these black leather joggers. Now, it's not real leather. It's just fake. They're thin, so they should be pretty breathable. And I saw these also at this garage sale. I was hesitant about picking them up, but joggers, they were originally about $46, so I might list them maybe for $25, $28. I haven't decided, just depends. Joggers are very popular. Got some nice little pockets. You see the ends. These are pretty wide. It's like they're supposed to come to your all the way down, but they're pretty wide here at the bottom. Anyways, I think that those are all the clothes that I picked up at the garage sales. Yep. I found this and I paid $3, as you can see. And it just turned on. I checked it out. I don't know if it works though. I think it doesn't come with, you see it's still, oh my goodness, it's like, I want to keep this. It's pretty solid. It does turn on, as you can see. It turns on, but I think that it doesn't come with the you know, with the drive to take pictures, because it has no memory card, so cannot record it. It's pretty neat, huh? I might sell this for, I don't know. I am selling another camera for like 70 bucks. I still gotta run comps on this. So it comes with the camera, it comes with the cords, you know, it comes with the charger, it comes with a CD, and it just doesn't come with the, you know, with the, you know, so you can, I can't think of where you keep your photos, where you store your photos. I can't think of the name, but $3, man. So that's awesome. So as you can see, this is not the same day when I went garage shopping. So this is a different day. This is taking me forever to complete this video. But anyways, the other things that I got was I found these Jordans, these Nike Jordans for youth. They're not the retro, which were a lot more valuable. They are actually running higher than the ones that I found. Mines are just like some high top Jordans, white. They are ranging about 30 bucks, so not bad. And then I found some Dolce Vita brown boots, really nice, and I think I'm listing those for $35–40. I think that's what they're running for on eBay. So I'm gonna be listing those both on eBay and Poshmark. So well, all right guys, I'm gonna get ready for bed, and I'm gonna try to get this video loaded here soon for you guys, because I know I didn't post a video last week. It was just so crazy, and so I just didn't have time. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified when I post new videos. And so I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye. Good night.